Well, 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 it finally arrived. This is the AE0. It mines Aleo, whatever you want to call it. So nothing too special about it. It's another Magic China box and it mines proof of work. So just like the other Zero series, the KS0, the AL0s, it's the same kind of small form factor, and you just plug it into power and plug it into Ethernet and away it goes. But this one, Wi-Fi enabled. So that will give you a little more versatility on where you can actually place this. Now, when I received this from IceRiver, by the way, I did receive this from IceRiver in exchange for providing some content for them. Where's it at? Where's it at? Where's it at? Nope. Yeah. It did not come with a power supply. I had to get my own. The hobbyist miner recommended this power supply to me. It is more than enough watts for what we want to run here. Future-proof it for future Zero models that come out. So pretty simple, plug it into power, plug it into Ethernet, and connect to it over your existing network. So I'm gonna take this and actually plug it in over here in my crypto mining shelf. So let's go do that now, and I'll meet you back in its dashboard to get this set up. Mining Aleo. Whatever. If you know how to set up an IceRiver crypto miner, skip through this because it's the same for all of them, just like the KS0s. This is going to be that same process. If you don't know how to do it, there's a lot of videos out there that'll tell you, but there's also a link to my GitHub page, which is down there in the description, as well as links to where you can pick up an AE0 if you're interested, if this is for you. Now let's back up and talk about that. Is this for you? Been up and running for, I don't know, 20 minutes now or something, maybe 30 minutes. And we can see our average hash rate's 55 mega hash. We'll come here to asicminervalue.com and we'll look at the AE0. So here we are, it shows 100 watts, which is great. That's what I, as a home miner, am looking for, is low watts, high hash rate. Oh my gosh, look at this. Okay, so we're at 12 cents. Holy shit. 463 a day. Yesterday, this was $6 and something. 20 cents. So we took a nice little dumperoo here. Look at that. Fuck. So it seems like it could be a really good project. Looking into the ecosystem and different ways that it can be used or is used. Wow, that's really bright. As of right now, I had to pay duties and fees and whatnot just to get this to my door. So keep that in mind. You've got an $800 machine, used to be duty free, used to be able to get away with not having to pay the extra import tax or whatever on it. I don't know if that's up now, if that's over, but I had to pay for it. So maybe you could factor an extra 150-ish bucks into the price of the machine, buying it directly from IceRiver. And then it's gonna take however long it takes to get across the pond. This is great though. It's only 29 cents a day at 13 cents a kilowatt hour. In fact, let's validate that, hold on. I like to go to here to energy cost calculator. We'll do 100 watts, 24 hours a day at 12 cents. Yeah, so 29 cents a day to run. So $8 a month. So over the last week, 2 weeks, we've gone from 500 and something mega hash proofs to 840, which tells me with the price going down, people are mining and dumping. Do your own research, of course. I'm just some guy on the internet giving my opinion and my thoughts on this crypto that I don't really have any experience on and obviously don't have a lot of knowledge on the project. Maybe somebody from the Aleo project could reach out to me and we'll have a conversation, do an interview. You can explain why your crypto project is so much better than something else that's already out there. On May 6th, 2025, we're making $462 a day as of right now. So let's let this run for a week and see what kind of rewards we actually get on our 7-day payout. Something else that's interesting that I wanted to try, so there's a lot of mining pools out there, but they're all pool. None of them offer a solo node or a solo option. You can go in and launch your own Aleo node with a single click on something like AWS. In fact, I think it's only on AWS. Google Marketplace, got it. I wonder how difficult it would be to set up my own node at home that I could mine to for solo mining Aleo. What's the Aleo block reward? 23. So there we are. This is the AE0 by IceRiver. It's their 100 watt Aleo miner. So far, it's just as easy to set up and run as all of their other crypto miners. If this is something that you're interested in, of course, links are down in the description. They're affiliate links, so I get a little something if you purchase through my promo code or my link. I believe you can save, what, 1% or something like that with my code as well. Again, all that'll be down there. What are your thoughts on this new crypto miner and mining Aleo in general? Is this something that you're interested in? Are you bullish on the Aleo project and their ecosystem? It looks interesting. They got a good website, but that doesn't mean squat nowadays. I don't know. If you made it this far in the video and you learned something today, smash that thumbs up button. It really helps the channel. Consider subscribing if you want to see me try to stand up my own node, and also check back in a week and we'll see how much this bad boy made. Bye.